Inside control. Inside control. Inside control.
Sprawl.
Hey, hold it.
There we go. Kick the left leg back. Let him get tired. Keep doing that. He has nothing. Hey, here. Tap the head. Tap the head.
Elbows in.
Tap the head. You understand English? Shoot on the left side. Shoot on the left. All right, there we go. Hey, break him down. There we go.
Push her.
Oh, no, don't do that again. Too much muscle. Thank you. Get him flat. Half on the left side.
Hop over.
Hop over. Go that way.
Push her.
Get a cradle. Grab your hands together. Bring the head to you. Circle to your right. Circle to your right. Thank you. Keep going. Bring it back. Thank you. Get back to your right side. Right side. It's all right. Head out. What are you doing? No, circle back. Oh, hands,
Freeze. Pick your head up.
There we go, baby. There we go. Hey, stop. Let go. He's all right. He's okay. Don't touch it.
You gotta pick the head up.
Get up. That's why they need to practice. They need you to get up. Get up. There you go. Back. Turn. Sprawl. Give me one. That's one. Hey, back pressure. Back.
Jaguar.
Do it again.
All you gotta do is push away. You gotta point.
Back pressure. Get up. Get up. He has nothing on you. Circle. There we go. Nice. Shoot. There we go. Circle.
Run it. Come behind.
Just get behind.
Stretch him out.
Give me a 2. Thank you.
Drive.
Half. Left side on the half. Thank you. Grab the wrist. Drive.
Run to his head.
That's not his head. Other way. Circle to your left.
Circle. Come on, man. Drive. No. Hey, no. He's exposed.
Hey, you gotta do something.
Power half.
Hey, back of the forearm. Forearm on the head. Not the elbow. Put him on his back. Head up. No. Fight. Keep turning. Towards me. Get up. Circle to your right side. Get to your knees. Head up. Thank you.
Come out.
Drive. Hold. Turn. Thank you. Squeeze. Half. Oh, man. All right. Half. Thank you. Circle. Drive. Hold. Breathe it. That's my boy.
Yo, knees off the mat. Pressure.
There we go. Let go. Stop wrestling. Hey, let go. Jaguar. You're doing this. You need to touch the other dude. Yo, Jaguar. Hands to your head. Freeze. doing good.
Come on, man. Be mentally strong. Beautiful first period. Beautiful second period. Finish strong, okay? 2 more minutes. Thank you. Guys, I want you to stand
Head, tap the head, tap the head. Thank you. Do it again. Drive, drive, drive. Hold, squeeze, half it, squeeze.
Chest on chest. Chest on chest.
Hold,
Squeeze. Squeeze.
half it. Go to your left side.
Hop over. Hop over.
Left side.
Hop over.
Left
Hop over.
side.
Hop over.
Thank you. Text. That's 6 points?
Yeah, I checked.
Oh, 5? Fine. Sorry.